Frankly, I don't care much about the pain I'm in, or half the trouble that my life has been, or for the burdens that I carry about. I'm just a bird trapped in a warehouse. I'm making nests up in the ceiling beams. It never feels like where I'm meant to be. And all that busted glass now boarded shut. It's just me and time, and damn, I hoard the stuff. But I don't mind being cooped up. If the world's a needle and damn, it's used up. Collapse my best vein, last I cared about. Being here or finding a way out. And I don't care much about the pain I'm in, nor for all the trouble that my life has been. And not these burdens that I carry about.